Hunter, when Triple G is coming in.
Uppercut by Brook. Crowd comes out of its seats. Excited by the uppercut. Brook getting in some heavy shots. Here
From Triple G. Triple G is setting him up, and if he stay on that rope,
body shot. Brook is in trouble. And Brook reaches out and grabs.
Matapos na pornada ang planong laban ni Kell Brook kontra kay America noon dahil umakyat ng timbang si Khan at nilabanan si Canelo Alvarez, ay umakyat na lang din ng timbang si Kell Brook para labanan ang sinasabing kinakatakutan daw ni Canelo Alvarez noon, ang kilalang kilabot at knockout artist, ang undefeated champion sa middleweight division na si Gennady Golovkin alias Triple G. Nangyari ang laban nila noong September 2016 at ginanap ito sa Britanya. Dumayo si Golovkin sa baluarte ni Kell Brook para dipinsahan ang tatlong titulo, ang IBF, IBO at WBC middleweight title. Parehong undefeated ang dalawa. May record si Brook na 36 wins, 0 loss at 30 anyos, abang 35 wins, 0 loss, 34 naman si Triple G. Sa laban, sobrang underdog ni Kell Brook dahil marami ang nagsasabi na halimaw daw ang mga suntok ni Triple G. Mas malaki dahil likas na nasa middleweight division ito, habang si Brook ay umakyat ng dalawang division. Lumalaban lang siya sa welterweight division. Pero walang takot na kinasahan at sinibayan ni Brook itong si Golovkin sa bakbakan. Nakakatama din ito ng mga solidong suntok, pero talagang di kinaya ang lakas ng kamao ng isang champion sa middleweight division na tanggapin ng isang Kell Brook na nasanay lumaban sa welterweight division. Sa sobrang lakas ng patama ni Triple G ay nabasag nito ang kanang mata ni Brook na naging dahilan ng pagkalamog niya sa mga birada ni Triple G at dahilan na din para ihagis ng kanyang kampo ang puting tuwalya o diyat ng pagsuko nila. At dito unang namansahan ang malinis na kartada ni Kell Brook natapos via 5th round TKO. Matapos ang laban ay kinumpirma na nagkaroon nga si Kell Brook ng orbital fracture sa kanang mata at kailangan ito ng seryosong operasyon. Makalipas ang ilang taon, sa isang interview na ginawa ng Talksports.com ay nasabi ni Kell Brook na wala siyang bahid na pagsisisi noong kinasahan niya si Triple G. Natapos daw ang laban na nakatayo siya, corner daw niya ang umayaw sa laban at hindi daw siya. Dagdag pa niya, ang suntok ni Golovkin daw o ni Triple G ang pinakamalakas na natanggap niya sa kanyang buong karera. Round 1, pressure fighter agad si Triple G sa laban. Mas umaabante at mas nagbabato ng mga suntok habang nag-aabang lang ng tamang counter si Brook.
There was a full scale weigh-in. He and everyone in his camp says there is
that as well. No, I think he's fine. I think it's just a
new fight, looking more the way he did against Dominic.
Ilang segundo lang naalog na agad itong si Brook sa mga kombinasyon ni Triple G.
From Triple G. Triple G is setting him up, and if he stay on that rope,
body shot. Brook is in trouble. And Brook reaches out and
if Cal Brook stay on that rope, and he's being overwhelmed and overpowered.
Uppercut by Brook. Left hook brought the crowd. Golovkin missed with the right hand over the top to back Golovkin off a little bit.
Round 1 pa lang namamaga na agad ang kanang mata ni Brook sa lakas ng mga banat ni Triple G, pero nakakatama din si Brook gamit ang bilis ng kanyang mga suntok.
Triple G will have a bigger and a greater chance in the exchange.
Veteran referee Marlon Wright staying away and creating some distance to give freedom of movement.
Round 2, agresibo pa rin si Triple G, pero mas sumasabay na si Brook sa palitan ng mga suntok.
To have accepted the reality that he's going to have to fight with Triple G. Maybe he wants it that way, and they're trading in this.
Brook can't think about, Kell Brook can't think about the power, but he must think about.
Now jabbing, set up the right hand, and Golovkin landing a.
Sa huling segundo ng round 2, nakatama ng mga solidong kombinasyon si Brook na nagpaalog din kay Golovkin. Napatayo ang mga fans ni Brook sa performance niya sa round 2.
Uppercut by Brook. Crowd comes out of its seats. Excited by the uppercut. Brook getting in some heavy shots. Here it. But Brook comes back with a 4-punch domination.
Buy himself time where he wears out Triple G here.
Brook seems to have realized early on that Golovkin wants to put pressure on him, wants to put him in a box, and he's landed effectively.
Round 3, parang galit na halimaw na itong si Triple G. Gustong bumawi, gusto nang lapain at tapusin itong si Brook sa laban. Mas nag-a-apply na rin ng pressure.
Now you see
Golovkin a lot of pressure on Brook.
He's trying to now rush because he never got hit with. I'm pretty sure fight. He's digging to the body with a three-punch combination. Triple G.
Round when Brook was able to keep a lot of the action in the center of the ring where he likes it. Hard right hand by Golovkin. Just misses with the left hook.
To now get confidence. If Brook continue to win round,
Pero diskarte naman ang panlaban ni Brook sa mas malakas na si Triple G. Umaatras at depensa lang ang birada. Naghahanap ng tiyempo para mapatama ang solidong suntok at mga kombinasyon.
If he had landed it solidly, it could have hurt Golovkin.
I think he is hurt. Jim, he got hit with a short uppercut just now in the right hand fight where he gets the bad end of it.
Brook is trying to build something memorable here. Golovkin is trying to reverse the momentum immediately. Keeps bearing in and putting pressure on Kell Brook here in round 3.
The left and a straight right, right on that same eye with the left hand.
And Brook comes back aggressively, winning the admiration of the crowd.
Round 4 mas klarong namamaga na ang kanang mata ni Kell Brook pero pumapalag pa din sa palitan ng suntok.
Here against Kell Brook, seeming to feel a sense of urgency because Brook had a career.
And some frustrations. With Triple G moving, punching, slipping. Every now and then, Brook's in the ring.
Dito na din mag-umpisang magreklamo si Brook sa kanyang kanang mata. Ramdam na ang pagkabasag nito.
And left himself wide open to a Brook right hand.
One thing Brook haven't went back to, which was successful to me, was the uppercut, whether it's coming from the left side or the right side.
Dito sa huling minuto ng round 4, duguan na ang ilong ni Brook pero mas klaro naman ang mga patama niya kumpara kay Triple G.
Then here in the fourth.
It looked like Triple G is just actually they have no snap on him. Brook is much sharper, much cleaner. See the short left hand.
Brook.
He's getting hit spot on.
Sa corner ay tila sinusubukan pang remedyohan ng kampo ni Brook ang kanyang kanang mata. Sinasabihan ng kanyang trainer kung paano ang gawing diskarte para madepensaan ang kanyang basag na mata. Pero sa round 5, umpisa pa lang ay parang gutom na leon na itong si Golovkin. Pinaulanan, sinabon at binanlawan ng mga suntok itong si Brook.
Jim, Kell Brook got some jaw. I mean, I haven't seen a guy stand there and trade with Gennady Golovkin in God knows how long. 3-1.
His fiercest rally of the fight. As Harold completes that scoring summary, now Brook holding up Brook to the ropes, Bernard.
And Brook is putting his hands up like he wasn't hurt, but that normally means the opposite.
Bago matapos ang round 5 ay nalamog na ng todo itong si Brook. Dito na nagtapon ng puting tuwalya ang kampo ng Briton. Sumuko na sa laban para maiwasan ang mas malala pang kapahamakan.
And yes, he is. He's pop shotting right now. He's hurt.
Is holding up a towel. Engel is trying to get referee Marlon Wright to stop the fight, and now he finally throws the towel.
Madami ang nadismaya sa ginawa ng corner ni Brook. Karamihan kasi na nanood ng laban ay di nila alam na nabasag na pala ang mata ng pambato ng Britanya.
And to me, he wasn't as hurt as he was round 2, round 3.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.